Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. Let's talk about Solana, see what is happening with the price of Sol, and of course what we could be expecting. As far as Solana is concerned, guys, it is absolutely going crazy right now. You're seeing a 7.7% gain again over the past 24 hours. It is one of the top gainers right now across the board. And you're starting to see some coins actually lagging behind Bitcoin, but Solana doesn't seem to care. Solana is making one of the fastest recoveries right in front of our eyes. And again, if this comes as a shock to you, I really think that you have not been paying attention to what's really been happening with Solana. But let's take a look at what's happening in terms of its price. What are some news revolving around Sol? Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So, looking at the price, $152.52, up 7.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap once again back above $70 billion, to be exact, $71.1 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is $6.7 billion. So, Solana is definitely feeling the love right now. And again, it just speaks for itself right now and shows you how much interest there really is. And I'm sure a lot of massive whales took advantage of that dip that we did see. I'm kicking myself. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I mentioned that yesterday. I was honestly waiting for a little bit more prices to go lower, but that did not end up happening because, of course, we are starting to hear good news come in for the stock market, how they're going to come and save it. And, a lot of money is going to get injected into the stock market. And again, a lot of people are excited. I think it's a temporary fix. I think, the economy is already super messed up. The fact that they came out and started speaking about recession when not knowing the fact that the recession has been literally happening for the course of the last 2.5 years. And a lot of people are not focusing on that. And some do, and the ones that took advantage of this dip are up quite a bit right now in just the last 48 hours. And I'm jealous of you. But anyhow, if you're looking at, the total value locked, it's at $4.8 billion. So you're starting to see this number actually increasing quite fast. And again, speaks for itself. Shouldn't really be a surprise. The native token is absolutely exploding. So obviously the DeFi is also going to see an interest. And speaking about the DeFi, you can actually see a lot of Sol projects right now are outpacing the overall market. You see Sol obviously is up, WIF is up, Pyth is up, Jupiter is up. So you can get the idea and the correlation between some of these coins, and that's literally right in front of us. But before we get into any further, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself. Solana breaks. Now I want you guys to really hear this out. Solana breaks an all-time high against Ethereum. That is insane. So if you are looking at Solana and Ethereum pair, it actually hit an all-time high. Of course, in USD it hasn't, but that just shows you how much it's outpacing Ethereum. And I had some people reach out to me over the course of the last 1 month saying that, hey, Crypto ZX, we've been following you for quite some time, and we actually converted all our Ethereum into Solana late last year, and they're up quite substantially right now, and it has outpaced Ethereum by a landslide. And if I said this last year, when I was talking about specific price targets, and when I was even talking about Solana and accumulating it around that price point, people were saying you're crazy. Solana is not going to get to specific levels. No one even believed Solana would get to $100, let alone above 100. And look where we are. Insane times. And you can see this for yourself. Total spot Bitcoin ETF volume has surpassed $2 billion in the last 24 hours. And fun fact, Solana was trading at $23 exactly 1 year ago today on August 7th. Let that sink in. And honestly, it's just a complete shock to me that it's already been a year. It's super, super scary that, 1 year ago, Sol was trading at $23. It honestly feels like a month or 2 months ago to me personally. Time is going super, super fast. Let me know if you guys agree, but that is insane. I remember this as if it was yesterday. Insane stuff, of course. And then you could see in the last 24 hours, over 22 million has been bridged from Ethereum to Solana. And again, this is insane. And what really caught me off guard is this. On August 4th, Solana surpassed all the other layer 1 chains combined in daily non-voting transactions. Not the fact that Solana surpassed all layer 1s. That's not what surprised me. That this near protocol is actually pulling in some good numbers. I'm very impressed at that. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So we know what's happening with the dominance index. Dominance index is literally on the verge of breaking towards an all-time high once again, and this will cause a lot of altcoins to lag behind. As of now, Solana doesn't seem to be caring about this, and the price speaks for itself. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is having a little bit of a hard time breaking out into the 23.6 fib zone, as it should, because of course we do have significant amount of resistance. You can literally see, as of recording this update, you're literally seeing that resistance coming in its way, and then obviously if this resistance is able to break out, we could be going back into the 23.6 quite fast. But now that we have that out of the way, you're seeing Sol outpacing Bitcoin like it's nothing. You can see this for yourself. Sol is back above $150 resistance, and if you are a follower on my channel, you know the significance of this key resistance. And as of recording this update, you're seeing Solana actually sitting above there, and I'm jealous of anyone that got in around the $110 price point. You're up right now 37% on Sol, and that is insane. I'm completely jealous of you if you did that. Let me know in the comments down below. I know a lot of people took advantage of that. I actually want you guys to remind me, flex on me in the comments. But anyhow, let's kind of zoom in and take a look at what's happening. So of course we did see the price back above the key resistance, showing it's showing its strength right now against the overall market. The fact that it's able to reclaim back above $150 price point, that is not a small thing. And obviously now that it's above here, it's actually outpacing Bitcoin, and on top of that, if Bitcoin is able to re-enter the 23.6 fib zone, I think Sol can start entering into the 23.6 fib. Sorry, we're in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, but like I said, if Bitcoin is able to get back into the 23.6, I do believe that we could actually see Sol pretty much go back above the most important key resistance. Yes, that is the most key important resistance at $166 price point, and that is only a move of about 10%, and I think that can happen really, really fast. And let me tell you, a lot of haters are going to be speechless, and they're already speechless. Obviously, I missed out on the accumulation at a cheaper price, even though I predicted some of these price, to come. That I thought that these prices were, something that we should be keeping an eye out on because of Bitcoin. I personally thought that, we will see the prices going lower because, of course, the stock market and the global financial market uncertainty. But, we heard some good news coming out for the stock market, and of course, the entire market did go up with it. If I were to be honest with you, as I've said in my market analysis video, I still do believe that we could potentially see another downside, like another massive, fake out. Again, that's just me, speaking my personal thoughts. But would not be surprised if we do see a reclaim back above $166. If that happens, then potentially, yes, we have seen the bottom. But pay very close attention to anything revolving around the traditional markets. We still haven't heard any official news coming out, so we do need to keep that factor in mind as well. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love each and every one of you guys. And of course, guys, let me know in the comments if you did pick up the dip. Love you all. We'll see you tomorrow on Crypto ZX, and peace out.